Vietnam train food options. Before you book that legendary Vietnamese train journey from Hanoi to Hue, there's one question everyone asks. What's the food situation? Let me tell you, the onboard dining can be a real adventure, and not always in the best way. My trip down the Reunification Express route revealed the truth. Carts constantly roll through the soft sleeper cabins, offering the essentials: bottled water, little snack cakes, and yes, plenty of instant noodles. While a bowl of hot noodles is a staple, often priced around 35,000 to 50,000 VND, the quality is usually simple, dry, and bland. You're paying a premium for convenience, but you're not getting a culinary experience. I made the mistake once and instantly regretted that dry, flavorless cup. This is where you need to be smart. You'll quickly notice the veterans, the local passengers, who came prepared with their own feasts. They're unwrapping fragrant Banh Mi sandwiches, slicing fresh tropical fruit, or enjoying crispy baguettes bought right outside the station. The new reality is that Vietnam Railways is actively working to improve the experience, even introducing premium options and partnerships with major food brands like King Coffee for authentic Vietnamese meals like Banh Mi cha lua or packaged pho. However, for the standard express train ride in 2025, the golden rule remains BYO-Food. If you're on a multi-day journey or simply picky, stock up on snacks, a proper meal, and plenty of water before you board. It completely changes the experience from a culinary disappointment to an incredible scenic rail adventure. Don't rely on the basic trolley service to keep you happy. Pack smart and enjoy the view.